Hi everyone, I wanted to share my experience with the Certificate in Organic Skincare Formulation course. I recently graduated and it has been an incredible journey of learning and growth. This course has given me a solid foundation in organic skincare formulation, from understanding various properties of organic skincare ingredients to mastering formulation techniques. Every aspect was covered in great details. The instructors were not only knowledgeable but also passionate about organic skincare, and it made my learning so inspiring. After completing this course, I feel confident in my ability to create safe and effective organic skincare products. The hands-on learning opportunities allowed me to put theory into practice and refine my formulation skills. The course also provided guidance on sourcing ingredients and ensuring product integrity. Graduating from this course has opened doors for me. I've launched my own line of organic skincare products, and the positive feedback from clients has been incredibly rewarding. I'm excited to continue to grow my own brand and make a difference. If you have a passion for organic skincare products and want to turn your dreams into reality, I highly recommend the Certificate in the Organic Skincare Formulation course. It provides the guidance, the support, the confidence you need to create products that align with your values. It's been a truly transformative experience for me, and I'm grateful for this opportunity.